In the wild, many animals use colored feathers to attract mates, but the lyrebird depends on colorful speech. So let's take a look and listen at the lyrebird's playbook. First, he hits the dance floor to show off some fancy footwork. Then some singing. This guy can imitate 20 different species. Even the most complicated calls, like this kookaburra, are so real, even the originators are fooled. Researchers believe these guys have the audio equivalent of a photographic memory, making them capable of reproducing pretty much anything they hear, including this, an electric drill. The motorized shutter of a photographer's camera. A handsaw. And even a car alarm. And finally, and ironically, the imitation of loggers, invading the lyrebird's own habitat. Nobody has really explored the limits of the lyrebird's ability to imitate any sound. But we do know that when looking for a mate, it is possible the lyrebird will say just about anything.